You all have seen crows, and it's among the most intelligent species on Earth. Crows know what it means to die, so they actually think before doing something, unlike us.
Bonk.
They even attend the funeral of their lost relatives and friends and mourn for some time. They will even examine the dead, kind of like post-mortem, and try to figure out the cause of the death so that they can avoid it next time. And if a crow kills any fellow member or a friend, it will be executed by the group. That's a death penalty for murder. That may be the reason why a group of crows is called murder.